This is the PWM Duty Cycle Calculator average voltage, which calculates the effective voltage output from a pulse width modulation signal. Let's look at the three input fields. First, we have supply voltage in volts, where you enter your source voltage. Next is duty cycle as a percentage, which can range from 0 to 100%. Finally, there's frequency in hertz, which sets how many PWM cycles occur per second. For this demonstration, I'll enter 10 volts for supply voltage, 10% for duty cycle, and 10 hertz for frequency. After clicking Calculate PWM Parameters, we get 4 results. The average voltage shows 1 volt, which makes sense because 10% of our 10-volt supply equals 1 volt. The period is 100 milliseconds, calculated as 1 divided by our 10 hertz frequency. The on time is 10 milliseconds, representing 10% of the total period when the signal is high. The off time is 90 milliseconds, which is the remaining time when the signal is low. These values help engineers design PWM circuits for motor control, LED dimming, and power regulation applications. Find the link in the description below.